Hey guys, it's Ernesto and welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So yes, today we're going to talk about why I'm the best photographer. You think I'm joking? I'm not joking. And we're also going to talk about the Godox FV150 and how I use it on a photo shoot.
Cause these days I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel this all in my face. You know I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way. Hope the feeling don't fade. Yeah, real money, anything. They don't tell it why I live. Probably someone need a waste. Things been going my way. Yeah, hope the feeling don't fade. No, real money, anything. They don't tell it why I live. Probably someone need a waste.
Yo, you know you're not the best photographer. Why are you lying? No, man, I'm not lying. You just didn't let me finish. What? What do you want to finish? Your lies? So what I wanted to say was that I'm the best photographer in my house. Yes, in my house. Oh, so you think you're funny, huh? All right, I got you. New year, new you, huh? Just wait. Okay, you still with me? Good. So let's get serious. I don't need to be the best photographer in the world or in my house for that matter. All I want to do is create work that is meaningful to me and the person in front of my camera. In this age of IG, I consume images so quickly that I hardly get an opportunity to enjoy an image. I quickly double tap and I move on. I see so many images that are the same that I literally think is the same photographer sometimes because the lighting or the post-production is so similar. I honestly don't recall an image I saw within the past 5 days that moved me. Well, I lie. I have, but I feel that way sometimes. I desperately seek inspiration because that is my fuel, but it gets so hard when all I see is more of the same. That is mostly my fault because I invite that lack of options into my social space. So this year I'm going to start purging those visuals that offer nothing new creatively to me. This decision I hope will set me on a new path of self-discovery, which I hope will push my visuals in a different direction, good or bad. I have really enjoyed my photography journey from 2019 and I hope to continue to grow in 2020. I still have a great deal of growth to do and so much more to learn about what makes a great photo. What I do know is that I will always push myself to get what I believe is the best image during a photo session, even though it may be terrible most of the times, let's be honest here, but who's counting? And speaking of photo shoots, Peer Gear, which is a vendor, sent me 2 Godox FV150 lights. These are constant light sources and they can also be used in flash mode. On this particular photo shoot, I only used it as a constant light source. This light also have different effects which could be used for video. I'm currently using these lights in this video to light me, so I'm using it here. I'm also using it in the background there. My only concern with these lights is the fan because I don't know how loud they are compared to my Aperture 120D because I can actually hear these fans here. So I'm curious to hear how it comes through on the mic. For this particular photo shoot, I used the same 2 lights in 3 different ways to try and scratch that creative itch. In the first setup, I wanted to capture the subject's shadow. I got inspired to do this shoot after I captured a self-portrait of myself when I initially received these lights. However, I wanted to add an element of power or mystery to it. Basically, I didn't want to push a simple silhouette of her shadow. I wanted to capture her shadow with some color to it, so I added some gel to one of the lights and to the other light I added a CTO. In order for the subject shadow to appear blue, I had to ensure that the subject cast a shadow on the background. Given that now I had a shadow on the background, when I turned on the light with the blue gel, it just filled in the shadow with blue. Very simple setup, not a big deal. In addition, I wanted the outer edge of the frame to also have a little bit of shadow, which meant those areas as well will appear a little bit blue. This simple 2-light setup with a reflector plate on both lights allowed me to play with the subject's shadows, specifically the hands, to give it a sense of producing a blue energy source such as like power. So this was the tricky part for this first setup. In the second setup, the lights were basically the same. The only modifications I made was lowering the light so it can make the subject's shadow appear taller than her. Everything else was the same, and I photographed the subject instead of her shadow. The third setup, the lights were positioned directly to the left and to the right of the subject. In addition, I added a grid to the light position to camera left, which is the light with the blue gel. The primary purpose for the grid was so it eliminated any light spill on the background, as I didn't want the blue gel to hit the background. Okay, so those were the 3 setups. Let's see the results. Alright guys, so in closing, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you Peer Gear for sending me these lights. And I actually enjoy these lights. I use it for video and obviously for photo shoots. It's pretty helpful. And obviously guys, I was kidding about being the best photographer. It's a joke, don't take it seriously. And if I made you laugh in this video at my acting skills, well, mission accomplished, so good. Alright guys, I hope this video was able to inspire you. Hopefully it was able to inspire you. Hopefully, you got something from it or learned something from it. If you did, please be the one to hit that big thumbs up button on this video. Share this video with your friends and family if you think it will be helpful to them. And guys, put some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about these lights, if you have them or if you're going to pick them up, and what you think about the images in this video. And lastly, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.